Hindustani Journal Passy number 2 start the education system it must be borne in mind does not function in a vacuum full stop. It is a part of the socio-economic system that has multiplied the material aspirations of the people since the sky appears to be the limit where their ambition is concerned full stop. Particularly the educated class stands exposed to this phenomena whose ambitions invariably far outpace their limited economic means full stop. Above all the slogan of higher living standards has made people over crazy about it full stop. Economic development has unleashed sociological forces which have tended to weaken the moral fiber of the nation full stop. People are mad to pursue their material aspirations and have them fulfilled at any cost full stop. There is a maddening race all around which is the result of the hot pursuit of economic growth full stop. Paragraph. Growth values have eclipsed moral values which used to be the pride of an individual in the past full stop. The yardstick to determine the worth of an individual no longer runs in terms of moral excellence but in terms of the riches he possesses and the influence he wields in a society with the dark lengthening socio-economic shadows loom large over the education firmament and the classical sense of the teacher's devotion to learning and knowledge is least observable in the present scheme of things full stop. I must say that even now there is a sufficient number of teachers who are heroically fighting against the darkening forces to keep the torch of learning and knowledge alive though this activity has a comparative disadvantage in a society that only lives for materiality full stop. Besides society suffers from polarization since all the selection are poised against one another full stop. The parents blame the teachers the latter put the ones of blame on the parents so that no one accepts the responsibility of the cumulative downhill march full stop. The downward rolling action has started and each individual in sheer desperation looks to the other holding him responsible.